Friends, this is Chinese torch. You see, I'm switching it on, but it's not working. It is showing charging. I charge it for 2 hours. Still it is not working. Let us open and see what is the problem. Friends, I have opened this Chinese torch. What I found, this circuit seems to be working okay because AC circuit has given some voltage, because earlier it was showing 0. It is showing 2.1 volt. This is the switching on this battery and switching off. When I place this switch to forward, so this switch is extending supply to further circuit. So this switch is also working fine, but still this light is not coming up. After 2 hours of charging, still this battery is showing 1.5 to 2 volts. It means this battery is not getting charged. So I'll remove this battery and connect another battery here. And so this is the positive. Positive, I'm going to connect to positive of this, and this is negative. I am switching on and off this circuit, but still this is not working okay. I am going to give directly 4.1 volt to this bulb and see if it is going to light or not. So let us open this. So this is the high power LED. So I am going to connect positive to this point, and this is negative. Negative I am going to give to this. Still it is not working. I believe this LED also has gone bad. It is not working properly. Now this circuit is working fine. It is extending supply, but it's of no use, because instead of this cell, now I am going to put NMC here, so that this NMC cell connecting through this 4056 model. As if you can see here, it is 4056 model used for charging the NMC batteries. So I'll be taking output from here, charging this, and in turn output also I'll be taking from this and giving it to only through this switch to the LED to light it. So board, only this switch I'll be using and switching on this circuit. So because this PCB can be easily fitted here. If you see, there is a base here for fitting this PCB. So I'll be only using this PCB, but no components of this PCB are useful to me. Friends, with the help of this new NMC, this battery is supposed to work, and it will work definitely. This high power LED has gone bad. It is not getting on. It has open circuited. So this also needs to be changed. You have seen how I diagnosed original battery of this torch was bad, and same time LED also was fused. Now I have replaced this LED with the new one, and instead of this original 5.2 volt battery, if you see in this circuit, I have connected one 18650 cell or battery, that it can extend 4.2 volt to this LED so that it can be lighted. So for connecting this 18650 battery, you need to have one 4056 module. This module is needed for charging this battery, so that this battery doesn't go bad by over voltage. So to protect this battery, you need to attach one 4056 model, which is I have attached here. This battery you need to charge often. So for charging that, you can utilize any 4.2 volt charger. See here, I have connected, and which is to charge this circuit. Here, after connecting this charger plug, you see red light has come on, indicating that this cell is getting charged. The moment this cell gets fully charged, automatically this red light will go up, and blue light will indicate that this is charged. Okay. This battery point I have connected to center point of these two points of 4056 module, which is whenever charging is off, this voltage 4.2 volt is extended to this point, and in turn this is from outer two points. This supply is taken to this switchboard, which is switching on and off supply to this LED. So friends, this positive supply from outer point here, with the help of this red wire, it is coming here on this point. From this point, this positive supply is extended to center point of this switch. The moment I put this switch on, this center contact is extended to outer contact. Now the moment outer contact is connected to center contact, positive supply from here it is extended to this resistance, one end of this resistance. This is current limiting resistor connected in series to protect the LED so that this doesn't go bad very frequently. And other end of this current limiting resistor is connected to this yellow wire, which in turn is taking supply to this LED. And same time, negative point, if you see, it is taken from outside, outer point of this 4056 module and brought it to here. And same point, if you see, another one white wire is connected, which is going directly to this LED, so that this LED can, negative supply can be extended to this LED. So friends, if you see how this circuit is working now, this 18650 cell giving supply to this, from there it is going to this, and it is going to this charging board, which was initially used for charging of this battery. Now if you see here, except this switch and this current limiting resistor, other all components I have removed from here. Since I am utilizing this 18650 battery, now no AC supply is required to charge this. Only two components are left with the help of this. Now this circuit is working fine. So friends, you have seen step by step how I found out initially that this battery has gone bad, because I could find out that this LED is also gone bad. So now I have replaced this LED, and instead of this battery I have put this 18650 battery in this torch, and now this torch is working fine. So friends, you have seen how to step by step find out the fault and rectify it in this video. If you have any old Chinese or any other battery which is chargeable battery and not working due to any reason, in the same way you can repair it by replacing these two components, or modify this as I have shown in this video, and you can use that battery further. So friends, you have seen this circuit is working fine now. One thing you must have noticed here, I am not using any BMS for this circuit. Since you require to use BMS along with this 18650 cell, but I am not using it. Why? Because while discharging this battery, if you don't allow it to fully discharge this cell, then, and if you charge it daily basis, then there is no question of drawing overcurrent from this 18650 cell. So if you are not connecting BMS also, I think you can utilize this battery as it is without BMS. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you don't like, still leave a comment so that I can do improvement in my forthcoming videos. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching it.